Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to import filament profile to PrusaSlicer. So let's get straight into it. Now we are already in PrusaSlicer. What we are going to do now is to the top left corner where you see file, and then we will go to the import. Now choose the matching import option for your file type. So import configuration, so choose this for a single file. Then we have configuration bundle. Um, so here it can contain multiple profiles at once, or you can import configuration from project. So this one is if you are extracting settings from a PrusaSlicer project file. So let's try with this one, configure this, okay, discard, and let's find right here if we have something. Oh, as you can see, here it is. So let's select this one and we will see what will happen. Now, as you can see, the preset successfully imported. Now, what we are going to do is now go to the filament settings right over here. And what we are going to do is we will save this preset like that. And you can also see here in this drop down menu, under the user preset, we have now this fuel bust, which we imported seconds ago. And yeah, this is basically how we can import filament profile to PrusaSlicer. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next